Ever recorded a video in OBS Studio only to find out afterwards that it's saved in the MKV format when you really needed MP4? If that sounds like you, don't worry. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to change the default video output format from MKV to MP4 in OBS Studio. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know how to set up OBS so that every recording you make is automatically saved as an MP4 file, making your workflow smoother and compatible with most video editing platforms. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open up OBS Studio. If you already have it installed, just double-click the icon, and your main OBS window should appear. If you're new to OBS, it's the program with that distinctive black and white logo. Looks kind of like a fidget spinner. From here, we need to access the settings. You'll find the settings button down in the lower right corner of the window. It's easy to miss if you're used to just hitting start recording. But trust me, the settings is where all the magic happens. Go ahead and click on it, which will pop open a new window filled with various tweaking options. Take a moment here. It might look a bit overwhelming with all the different sections, but we're going to head straight to the one we need. In this settings window, look for the Output tab. You'll see a sidebar along the left with tabs like General, Stream, and then Output. Click on Output. This section controls everything to do with how your recordings and streams are saved, kind of like the control panel for your video files. Now, in the Output section, pay close attention to the area labeled Recording. If you scroll down a bit or just glance over, you should see a drop-down menu called Recording Format. Right now, if you've been seeing MKV files, this drop-down probably says MKV, but we want it to say MP4, since MP4 is much more widely supported. Nearly every video editor, social media site, and cloud service prefers MP4 over MKV. It's kind of like choosing between a specialized tool and a Swiss Army knife. MP4 is the format that just works everywhere. Click on the Recording Format dropdown and select MP4 from the list. Don't worry if you see other options like Movie or FLV. For most users, MP4 is the safest and most reliable choice, especially for uploading your videos or editing them later. Once you've selected MP4, look down at the bottom. You'll see two buttons, Apply and OK. First, click Apply to lock in your changes, then click OK to close out the settings window. OBS likes to be sure about your choices before making anything official, so always use Apply before OK. And that's it. From now on, every new recording you make in OBS Studio will be saved automatically as an MP4 file, so you don't have to fiddle with converters or worry about compatibility issues down the line. It's a small change, but it can save you a mountain of headaches. Trust me, I've been there. If you ever need to switch formats again, just repeat these steps. Feel free to explore other settings too. OBS is full of great customization options. Thanks for watching this quick tutorial. Hopefully, that clears things up and helps streamline your recording process. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you've got questions about OBS or video formats, drop me a comment below. I'm always happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward tech tutorials. See you in the next one.